Severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Malta to near Waterman to Leland to near Ottawa, moving east at 65 miles per hour. These are destructive storms. Take shelter immediately. Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. In fact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sandwich and Newark around 7:45 p.m. Yorkville, Plano, Elburn, and Maple Park around 7:50 p.m. Aurora, Oswego, Montgomery, Sugar Grove, and Lily Lake around 7:55 p.m. Batavia, Geneva, Canton Hills, North Aurora, Pingree Grove, and Boulder Hill around 8 p.m. Joliet, Plainfield, St. Charles, West Chicago, Minooka, South Elgin, West Dundee, Sleepy Hollow, Wayne, and Valley View around 8:05 p.m. Elgin, Bartlett, and East Dundee around 8:10 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 80 between mile markers 120 and 122. Interstate 88 between mile markers 102 and 120. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 56. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at